Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix Instagram widescreen in your phone. First you need go to the setting. Here scroll down and find the apps. Select it. Here select the manage apps. Then just wait and using search bar find the Instagram. Here scroll down and just click on the clear data and clear cache and click on the OK. Okay, then go to the Google Play Store. Search using the search bar on the top of the screen. Find the Instagram app. Then click on the uninstall and then restart your phone and install this app again. That's all for today. Goodbye.